What is going on, everyone? Yvonne here. Now, you have probably heard of ClickUp Brain, but now there's a whole upgraded version, which is ClickUp Brain MAX. And essentially, it is an upgraded AI assistant that is pre-built into your ClickUp platform. So that way, everything lives under one roof. You have all your documents, you have all your tasks, and now you have AI helping you out along the way. And it doesn't just summarize meeting notes or just write random blurbs for you, but it can actually help you run your entire workflow. It can make your whole process a lot more automated, and what before used to take 2 to 3 people, you can now do on your own. So, if you're a solopreneur that's balancing out a lot of different things, this can be your ultimate AI sidekick. It's smart, it knows your preferences, and a lot of that admin work that you're doing, it can help you out with it. So, in this guide, we're going to be going over step by step over ClickUp Brain MAX and see if it's going to be a right fit for you guys' business. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, I am going to be sharing my screen here, so if you guys do want to follow along or even try out the platform for yourself, feel free to check out the link down below in the description for a free trial of the platform. Now, once you guys are here, it's really straightforward to get started. All you got to do is just press get started for free. Now, I already have an account, so I can just go ahead and log in, but for you guys, go ahead and press sign up, enter your full name, email, password, and bam, you're going to be ready to go. But once you guys log in, here's how your user interface is going to look like. And there's a lot that's baked into the product already. There's an inbox, there's a place for your teams, docs, dashboards, whiteboards, forms, clips, goals, timesheets, pretty much everything to keep track of your guys' business. And in my experience, most people use the platform to keep tabs on all their tasks and make sure that nothing slips through the cracks. But you may be wondering, how can AI actually help us out with that? Now, for those of you that are watching this video, Brain MAX is going to be an add-on that you need to pay for. However, on the free version, you do have some trials that you can go ahead and use. Now, to make sure that you haven't used up your AI credits, let's go ahead and go into the settings to make sure you still have those. So go ahead and go into here, let's press settings, click on AI usage, and your screen should look a little bit like this. And there's going to be different categories. There's going to be AI cards, AI fields, tasks, answers agent, custom agents, and image generation. So you may be wondering, heck, this is very similar to ChatGPT. What makes this different? Most of them are going to be built on GPT technology, so their AI logic is going to be quite similar. However, what makes this one different is all your guys' ClickUp information is going to be connected to it. Therefore, all of your tasks, all of your projects, and everything that you're working on is going to be there. However, if you're doing the exact same thing on ChatGPT, it doesn't have access to it. So if I have a paid subscription with ChatGPT, I can't go on there and say, hey, what is going on under my tasks? But with Brain MAX, because it has access to my ClickUp information, it can actually help me out with my daily processes. Now, if you want to access it, here's how it looks like. Let's go ahead and hover over the AI here. And this is what the ClickUp Brain is going to look like. Bring it right over here in the middle. And as you can see, there's a lot of different things we can do with it. We can generate a time tracking report for last week, draft a summary of recent activity, brainstorm next week's priorities, create autopilot agents to actually do things for you step by step, generate an image, ask about our Google Calendar. You guys get the point. Literally, all of your guys' productivity things are going to be pre-built into one platform, and that way everything lives under one roof. And a lot of times that could be an issue with ChatGPT just because it's not directly connected. Though there are integrations that could directly connect it as well, it's not going to be as clear cut just because it's not going to be a native solution. For example, right over here, if I go to connect apps, I can click on it. You can see that I can connect Box, Dropbox, Figma, Google Drive, GitHub, Gmail, different platforms. And with a lot of these AI extensions, you can do the same thing. Heck, if you click on ClickUp Brain right over here, you can see I can also select GPT 5.1, GPT 5 Mini, the 4.1, the 4.0, the Mini, the 3, the Claude, right? There's a lot of different things. But if you guys are currently on the free plan and you don't have the paid add-on just yet, I would just play around with this right over here because it has majority of the features that are already pre-built into the platform. They're just going to be in limited amounts. And you can actually see those limited amounts in your guys' AI usage to see how much have you used already and how much you have left. So what's cool about this is because it's our direct AI assistant, we can actually ask it whatever we want. I can literally type in, create a task for me next week to meet with Jenna. And then there you go. The system has literally created a task for us to go ahead and schedule a meeting with Jenna. And then from there, we can go ahead and modify it, add a talk to it, and play around with it as much as we want. And as you can see here, this is going to be my demo account. If I go to my home, I can see that this is one of the tasks that's been created, schedule meeting with Jenna. And if we go ahead and go on it, boom, there's going to be a little note that the AI model has left. We can go ahead and add a custom field, add a subtask. have a checklist, or different attachments. And the thing that's neat about this is if we ever need help in any different parts of our process, AI is already there. As you can see, I have the brain logo right over here, then here, then here, then here at the bottom, and then right over here at the top. It's literally everywhere. So if we need help, it's there for us. And it doesn't only have to be around creating tasks. It could be drafting content ideas for a future email newsletter or writing a step-by-step onboarding plan for our email marketer. You see what I'm trying to say here? Because this GPT model is pre-built into our platform, it knows everything about our business. And that way, everything that it outputs is going to be tailored towards our business. And even though sometimes it may not be the exact version you're hoping for, it's going to give you a crazy head start. Instead of writing the onboarding plan from scratch, the AI model can do all the basic work for you and then just fine-tune the finest details. That way, you can save a ton of time. And here, let me show you something else, because this could be applied to many different places. So if I go ahead and exit out of this, I go to Docs, let's go ahead and create one. And as you can see here, if I go ahead and write with AI, boom, it can help me write a description, create a plan, and generate action items. So that's pretty straightforward. However, what I personally use it for is if we go ahead and exit out of this, and if you click on one of these documents, it's going to open it up in a new tab. Go ahead and do that. Press on Ask AI right over here. And then from here, any piece of content that you have, you can go ahead and ask, what's the purpose of this doc? Are there any action items in this doc? What decisions were made in this doc? Different stuff like that. And look, there's a lot more where that came from. You can always ask personalized questions as well. What I'm trying to say here is that as you guys scale and you guys get a lot more team members, you don't have time to read every single piece of content or output that your team is producing. That way, if you have an AI system that's helping you along the way, instead of you reading the whole document about it, all the decisions were there, and trying to scan exactly what is going on, the AI model can actually help you out with that. Because let's be realistic. Time is our ultimate resource. And if we're not spending it correctly, it's going to be really difficult for us to scale. So for any meeting, a document, or decision that was made, you can go ahead and chat with AI and see what it thinks about it. You can have it list all the pros and cons, the decisions were made, and see if they're going to be good for you guys' business in X, Y, and Z fashion. And this is going to be especially true if you just came back from a vacation. Think about it. Let's say you're on vacation and you come back. There's a lot more docs, meetings, and different stuff that you missed. You don't want to scan through every single one of them, look at all the different decisions. You want to have something there and then. And that's exactly where assistants like Brain MAX can make your life easier. What I would do if I was in your guys' shoes, you just go to this top bar right over here and let's click on it. Then go ahead and look through all the suggested and features tasks that you can go ahead and help you with. Because look, every single business has their own priorities, and you're the only one that actually knows exactly what you need help with. It could be writing SOPs or summarizing meetings or figuring out exactly how do we automate different parts of our business. Once you have an idea, if it fits within one of these templates, go ahead and select it. For example, let's say we're going to be sending something out that's going to be customer facing. I'll go ahead and opt in for one of these features. It could be create, write, brainstorm, or summarize. So when it comes to content, if we go ahead and hover over this create button, it actually shows us exactly what it can help with. And in this case, it's going to be begin creating new content from scratch. So it can help us with our content. But again, this is going to be dependent business to business. So if it does fit one of these templates, then great. And if it doesn't, what I would do is just go ahead, tap up a paragraph of exactly what you need, and then you can have a full conversation with the platform just like you're chatting to a human. It's going to ask you some questions, and that way every single response you're going to get is going to be tailored towards your business. And if we click on this little plus button right over here, you can go ahead and attach a file or mention a teammate, and that way everyone stays in the loop. And another cool part about the platform is that you can save all of your favorite prompts. So instead of every single week typing up things like write a weekly report, you can actually pre-save that prompt, and that way you can go ahead and click on it and it's going to type it up for you. And these prompts are perfect for things like weekly summaries, content generation, recap emails, or client handoffs. So anytime you feel like you need that extra set of hands, the AI platform can help you out. And there you folks have it. As you guys saw, ClickUp's Brain MAX is just like another teammate. It can help you with questions, summaries, or even generate content. And I personally use it for some crazy things, all the way from taking random ideas and putting them into a pitch deck outline, to even generating ideas for blog posts based on tasks keywords. You see what I'm saying here? It can be used for many sorts of things. And the best part is that it's completely integrated within your guys' systems, and that way, nothing slips through the cracks. So if you're someone that wears a lot of different hats, I'll go ahead and try it out. It's completely free, and you can see if it makes your life better. So if you're interested in trying out the platform for yourself, the link for it is going to be down below in the description. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.